Hello, I'm Asif and we're here at Future Money 14 and I'm joined by Jeremy Suddards of HP. So there was a big debate yesterday about ownership of the customer and customer data. I'd like to get your opinions on that and also how you think regulation is affecting the industry.
I think it's almost a non-debate. I think if you are a first generation banking user, so you're coming out of university, you're taking your first bank account, or even if you're a second generation, who owns the customer, who owns the data? The individual believes they do. Every time they download an app and they say yes to location awareness, they don't care about whether that is owned by an individual or by a corporation. So if there's a value of that data being owned or being given visibility of by one of those organisations, most of those new users will take that. We can't ignore the fact that the vast majority, 85% of the existing consumers, of course, are with the major banks and organisations. But actually, data ownership, the regulator cares about it, the banks care about it, but actually the clients, I think, are caring about it a lot less now.
So there was mention yesterday of the mid-tier and how it's flourishing, that sector. Is there a specific strategy in place by HP to address that?
I think you've said it yourself. It's flourishing, and actually there's a huge amount of agility and opportunity to change in that mid-tier sector, and whether that's in the supermarket sector, whether that's in the building society sector, whether that's announcement of the new entrants, some of the new digital-only entrants. I mean, that really is the area where we see technology really being developed and deployed very quickly. Taking something purely digital to the market in one of the major tier ones organisations is really, really hard. Doing it in a digital only is becoming much easier. The trick there is being able to do it at a lower volume, because there has to be some way of doing that without a huge amount of capital injection, because capital is still scarce in the mid-tier as well as in tier ones.